Okay, let's go.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Please, we are in two. Then we like to introduce ourselves. I'm the person of the country office.
I am William Adams. My name is Vincent. I go by the name of Raja. My name is Africa. The name of
We are in two. Please, when you see us this morning, the main purpose of coming to the main purpose of coming here is that we want to display our good work that we combine our mind with it. This thing that you see here, it is called mini blender. This thing is called mini blender. Then we want our brother to show us the steps that we used to make this thing. So let our brother use to do.
So the steps involved in doing this mini blender. You need your things like the cardboard, the motor, the switch, and the leg. 2. You cut the cardboard and design it in such a way that you want your blender to be. 3. You fix the cardboard like a cube. The 4th point, you cut a square shape on the cardboard. 5th point, cut the cardboard in a rectangular but small or piece shape. The 5th point, fix the 6th point, fix the battery under the cube shape. The 7th, fix the switch on the left side of the cube. 8.
You see, the battery is here. The battery helps to move the motor and the blade inside. And you see, when you open the side, you find the blade inside. You see, the blade is inside. This blade is a new blade. So don't try and put your hands in. Put your hands in to get hurt or to hurt you. And this one is the head. Maybe when you have done that thing, so that the thing will not just spread in your kitchen or your wherever you see yourself using this. Then I'm going to use this and you see how it works. So you're going to see. Come on, everybody, come on. You see it is moving. When it is moving, don't put your hands in. Or if you put your hands in, it will just hurt you. You see the light? You see I told you the light? It will just go down. You see, it will just go down. That means the motor is working. So just go that the motor is working. When it is working, don't put your hands in. But this place is very, very important. Which more? Because it can hurt you. That is the advantage of this mini blender. But the blade is sharp. When you put your hands inside, you won't find it easy. That's an exercise.
And also one of the usefulness of this one is to blend dry vegetables, like dry pickles.
Spring onion, those things. You can use this mini blender to blend. Some people
Some people don't like what?
rice and yes.
Example.
Some people they like to mix the vegetables and put it in the make with the stew. So you can use this thing to blend it. That's how we made it a little. Then I also say it again. You can sell it everywhere. It's not expensive. Even you can even make it yourself. And this is not a size that if you want to make it large, you can make it yourself. It's not difficult to make this video, and it is not expensive. It's very not expensive, and it can save life too. Yes, thank you.
Okay, continue.
You get a flat blade and you put it in so that if you switch it on, it can blend what is inside the blender. Number 9, test this and see the results and what usefulness it is.
As I was about to say, this is called a mini blender. And the reason why we made this mini blender is that, or we made it a mini blender is that, most when we go to some of the villages, it does not have like electricity, lights, village. So we made this mini blender that does not use electricity, which uses a battery, or which uses a battery. You can send this mini blender any place you want to go. Maybe you want to a long journey with your car. You want to make some juice and drink, or you want to make something so that you can take things for money. You can turn it on and start blending without electricity. Yes. And there are things that we can lead, as our brother said. The Bible says, "See is believing." We want you to see and believe that what our brother said to you, and it is true, and you made it. This thing you see here is a switch, which turn on and off when using it. And this thing you see here is the LED. This LED, it is made in such a way that when we say the motor is moving, the light brightness will go down. But if the motor is not working, the light brightness will just shine. That means the motor is not working. So you must make something when